Welcome to my YouTube channel, Asterisk. What if I told you that the most legendary long-nosed truck in American history has just been transformed into a 3-level luxury mansion on wheels for 2026? Yes, we're talking about the unstoppable presence of the Kenworth W900L, but not as a regular highway hauler. Today, it returns reborn as a triple-floor motorhome. A masterpiece that blends raw trucking heritage with VIP lifestyle luxury. Asterisk. The moment you see this 2026 W900L Motorhome 3, it doesn't just arrive, it dominates. That extended long hood, stretched wheelbase, and towering chrome grille still carry the DNA that made the W900L a legend across North America. But now, behind that bold front end lies something completely unexpected. 3 floors of rolling, penthouse comfort. Asterisk, let's start with the exterior presence. The front fascia keeps its iconic vertical grille, polished chrome bumper, and classic dual-round headlights. LED accents give it a modern 2026 touch while maintaining that old trucker soul. The stretched chassis supports a massive custom-built motorhome cabin seamlessly integrated behind the sleeper. From a full-side profile, this machine looks like a luxury tour bus fused with a show truck, clean body lines, tinted windows, underglow, lighting, and premium paint options ranging from pearl white to deep candy red. Asterisk. Now here's where things get crazy. The 3-floor layout. Asterisk. The first floor is your executive lounge and command center. As you step inside, you're greeted with premium leather seating, marble-style flooring, ambient LED lighting, and a fully digital dashboard cockpit. The driver's area still feels like a true Kenworth bold steering wheel, chrome detailing, and high-mounted visibility, but now it's wrapped in high-end, luxury finishes. Behind the cockpit, you'll find a full lounge setup, reclining sofas, a smart entertainment system, hidden storage compartments, and even a minibar section. This level alone feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Asterisk. Move up to the second floor, and you enter the private living quarters. This level includes a master bedroom with a king-size bed, panoramic side windows, soft-touch wall panels, and customizable mood lighting. There's also a full bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, modern vanity, premium fittings, and compact washer-dryer integration. The insulation and air suspension system ensure a smooth, quiet ride, even at highway speeds. Asterisk. And now, the top level. The third floor is what truly separates this build from any other motorhome on the market. This space can be configured as a rooftop, sky lounge, office studio, or private relaxation deck. Imagine parking at a scenic location, extending the upper panels, and enjoying an elevated glass-wrapped lounge with 360-degree views. Some configurations even include a small outdoor terrace section with reinforced safety railings. Asterisk. Under the hood. The 2026 W900L motorhome keeps its powerhouse reputation alive. Expect a high-performance diesel engine delivering massive torque, paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission built for long-distance touring. Air suspension, advanced braking systems, and modern driver assist features make this giant surprisingly manageable.